Today we will be discussing understanding cultural differences and why students need training in this area to increase the efficacy of doctor-patient relationships. It is necessary for students entering into the field of medicine to be able to effectively communicate with patients to aid in the construction of a strong doctor-patient relationship. In 2014, Begum noted that having this ability is the foundation for building an effective doctor-patient relationship that benefits both the physician and the client. One aspect of this includes the doctor taking into account the cultural background of their patient. As we know, the world is a very diverse place, as are the cultures that exist within it. Not only do physicians come from various cultural backgrounds, but so do the many patients that they are trying to take care of. There are notable differences in different cultures' standard medical interviews. In some countries, doctors don't relay any information to the patient at all, no matter their age. Instead, all communication occurs through family members. In other places, doctors are afforded a much higher respect than we see in Australia. Patients will not question a doctor's instructions, and almost no questions will be asked about the patient's condition or their treatment. As you can see, there are many different ways both physicians and their clients might expect a medical interview process to be handled. Because of this, understanding cultural barriers and being aware of different traditions becomes a necessity when interacting with patients and families. By knowing the expectations of patients from different cultures, doctors are better able to fulfill those expectations. In 2012, McGrath, Henderson, Tamaga and Halewa published a paper on a study they conducted in a Brisbane hospital. They were investigating the impact of workplace culture shock on international medical graduates from different parts of the world now working in Queensland. The responses of the doctors interviewed indicated that understanding the cultural dimensions of the workforce they were entering was a necessity when interacting with clients. This was especially in relation to the greater expectations placed on them by most Australian patients, compared to those of patients from their country of origin. In most cases, a lot more information was requested than what these graduates were used to providing. In 2015, Ranjan Kumari and Chakrawarty stated in their paper that doctors need to involve the patient in the decision-making. The treatment plan must conform to the patient's understanding, beliefs, cultural values and concerns. This is important because, as Begum explained in 2014, one of the expectations of patients is to feel respected by their doctor, and that compliance is more likely to be given to the physician when this is the case. Therefore, because we live in a multicultural society where both doctors and their patients have many different expectations on what should happen during the medical interview process, a greater emphasis needs to be placed on cultural understanding in medical practice when educating students in this field. I hope you found this piece informative and thank you for watching.